Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix your dishwasher that's not spinning. Stick around until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. You can start by checking the spray arms to see if there are any blockages. The buildup of debris and dirt may be one of the reasons your spray arms aren't properly spinning. To fix this, carefully remove the dishwasher basket to allow easier access to the spray arms, then clean them out. Take a look at the circulation pump. If the circulation pump malfunctions, the spray arms might stop getting enough water pressure to spin the arms. Check the pump for any blockages and clean it if you find any. Try having your electronic control board replaced. When the control board's internal logic and memory are corrupted, the control board may freeze up and not send current to the motor. In this case, get a professional to help you diagnose and remove the control board if necessary. You can also replace the sprayer arm. Get a technician to remove the arm and reinstall it if it's truly non-functional or damaged. So there you have it. Fixing your dishwasher that's not spinning is that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.